Welcome to our BDID domain channel. To know more about digital marketing strategy, do not skip and watch the full video.
On this SMM panel, you will get lots of TikTok services as well. So here they have lots of TikTok services, and that is on my category section: TikTok space listener, TikTok followers. You can see that TikTok services, TikTok views plus likes plus impressions, TikTok live services, TikTok targeted views, TikTok targeted likes, TikTok targeted followers, and those things. So they have lots of category through this TikTok. And this TikTok services, we want this TikTok services as well: TikTok views plus likes plus impressions, combined services, TikTok live services, TikTok targeted views. What does mean by this one? That is TikTok targeted views. That's mean if you click on TikTok targeted views, then they will target only one country. It will not target worldwide, right? So if you wanna target your country only, for say example, if you live in US and you want to target only United States country people, then you can go with this TikTok targeted views. Or else you can go with TikTok views plus like plus impressions and combined services with this one. So on my category section, you can see that I have selected this TikTok views plus likes plus impressions combined services. And then we need to go to our this service panel, right? So I'm clicking on this service section, and here related with this TikTok likes, views, and impression combined services, related with this one, they will give us some services, and that is TikTok views plus 10% likes plus impression maximum 10 million 100k to 1 million per day. Starting will be 0 to 30 minutes, and that will cost $0.070 TikTok views plus 20% likes. If you want to increase your likes as well, then you can go with this 20%, 30%, 40%, or 50% one. If you want to 10%, then you can go with this one. If you want 20%, you can go with this one. So let me click on this one, and after clicking this services thing, see they will add a description automatically, and that is this one.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel to see upcoming videos and to get notification, click the bell icon.